welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing amazingly well today. It's Good Friday, so as I'm off work I thought I would get some filming in, so you'll see me wearing this outfit twice because that's full time twice because I'm actually doing another video straight after I film this. So I am going to be doing my morning skincare routine for you, but it's just featuring Glossier. So I purchased a few goodies off their website and I did like a mini haul, and I thought I'd maybe film a mini haul, but then I thought actually no, I'd rather just, my boobs are falling out, girls stay in. I thought I'd rather just film a morning skincare routine because obviously everything that I purchased really is skincare. There's a few makeup products that I already had, like their blusher, which is their cloud paint blusher, so I already had that, but I also purchased a lipstick which I'm wearing right now. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and let's jump right in. Okay you guys, that is my morning skincare routine featuring Glossier. Products that I purchased, which you saw in that clip, are the Glossier Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector, which I purchased this before years and years ago, and I found that it didn't work too well on my skin, and then I retried it again a few months later and it completely cleared my skin. So I thought I'd buy it again because I loved it, and then I ended up running out of it. So there's that. I purchased their Milky Jelly Cleanser, which is their conditioning face wash, which is the first time I've ever tried this product, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed how it kind of felt on my skin. I really enjoyed how soft my skin feels. Yeah, I love it. It's really, really nice. So there is this. I got the Priming Moisturizer. I was looking for another moisturiser anyway, and I thought this in combination with the other products would be really good to test out, and it feels like a really good moisturiser. I don't feel oily, it kind of blends really well into the skin, so happy with that. I got their Zit Spot, what is it called, Zit Stick, and that's because obviously I still get hormonal acne even after all this time, and obviously I use my La Roche-Posay, but I thought a Zit Stick is always handy to have as well, especially if it works. So I tested that out this morning, and obviously I don't know what the results will be, but there's that. I got the rosebalm.com, which is their skin salve, so basically their lip balm. I got it in the natural one because I had a ready coloured one last time and I just wasn't really feeling it. But this one is really just natural, and I like it on the skin. You can just lather it on, leave it, it leaves your skin feeling super soft and buttery. And then I got a lipstick, and this is in the shade Cake, which you can see on my lips already, but add a bit more because I went downstairs to eat pancakes. It's just such a beautiful natural colour, and I love how it looks on my skin. I think it suits my skin tone really, really well, and I just like the overall look. Obviously, clips of this video was my makeup routine, which I've just quickly fast forwarded. But if you're interested in seeing my kind of lockdown makeup routine, then please shout and I will talk you through that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!